a great choice today with the 2020 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, keyless start, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.